Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to defragment your hard drive on the Windows 10 computer. This also called optimize the drive, which helps to increase the performance of our computer system. Now, let's start by moving the cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen. Then, click on the Windows logo. And go to Settings by clicking the gear icon. Now in Settings, go to the first option and click on the System. On the left-hand side, select Storage tab. Then, on the right-hand side, click on the Optimize Drives. In the Optimize Drives window, select the drive and click on the Optimize button. You can also optimize your other drives at the same time. Now, you can also set the schedule to automatically optimize the hard drive. Under the Schedule Optimization, click on the Change Settings. Then, choose the Schedule on Frequency drop-down menu, either daily, or weekly, or monthly. Then, click the OK button to apply the changes setting. After completing the optimization process, click the Close button. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.